got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
Dear light.
He says, the moment I pay you, you think like an employee. He says, that's the trap. Entrepreneurs work for free. You never want a paycheck. You understand that, kid? I said, okay, I got it.
So, hello everyone, it's Harvey and I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a good time and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. So, it's the weekend and I was like, okay, I thought about this and I know that it will be beneficial for you and me, you know, and I wanted to share this knowledge I have about crypto and the stock market. And as you can see the title, it says, what will I do if I had $10 today? What are the stocks or crypto that I would invest in? And I'll share it with you today. So first of all, let's go screen record while I share this information. And let me know, how is life going on? Good. Okay, so the first stock, let's go to webull. The first stock I would recommend if I had $10 today and I was a new investor in the stock market, I would invest in ORC because I know it's a dividend stock. If I'm to invest in the stock market, that is what I will invest in. ORC, it's a dividend stock, it's affordable, and I can get 1 or 2 shares from it and start my position in creating a passive income that will give me a monthly passive income, not quarterly but monthly. Okay, and why I love this stock is because it is very undervalued, and that's the best time to buy. When people don't value a stock, get it then, but when people start going towards the stock, run away from it immediately. Okay,
Period.
so yes, ORC, Orchid Capital, is a great REIT dividend stock, and believe me, once you start getting it and you start seeing your dividend, it motivates you to start adding to your position. So that will be my first recommendation. Okay, and right now I have about 13,000 plus of this stock, so you can see that I'm down on it, but I know that it gives monthly dividends. So if you start investing in it, you get even a better price than I did. And I'm sure, you see, I'm sharing my fails with you so you can succeed. Okay, now the second stock is not a stock, it's actually a crypto stock. Now why I love this stock is because it's a stable, it's more on the stable side. Now it's called XLM. XLM is a crypto stock. I'll show you my position. I have about 8,000 of this stock, of this coin. Okay, XLMD. Now why I love this is because this stock is because they just had an appointment, a contract, binding contract with MoneyGram. So MoneyGram will start utilizing them in its transactions, which is amazing. That means it's having the visibility and the acknowledgement and the legality that it deserves. Okay, so if MoneyGram is backing XLM, that is one of the great stocks you should be invested in if you have $10. Okay,
wait a minute, who am I? That's a Raven moment.
So when you see that XLM is backed by MoneyGram, let's be real, that it doesn't get more authentic than that, though it does. But Bitcoin have become the blueprint for all these coins, you know. First of all, let's be real, Bitcoin used to be considered a meme coin, and today here we are. Bitcoin is now one of, let's be real, is the blueprint now to all these other coins. They start as a meme coin, then they become a stable coin, and before you know it, they are the big deal. And with that, knowing that, it's like, hello. So if you have $10 today, I would invest in XLM. XLM, I'm sorry, that is a MoneyGram having such partnership, you know, with MoneyGram is a big deal, especially if you're an American. You know that. Are you kidding me? Even if you're a resident, you know, MoneyGram does not play. Like, it's close to my heart. Like, it's something that is, yeah. When I started, I was like, wow, XLM is actually a legitimate coin. It's getting the flowers it deserves. Okay, I would recommend that for you guys. Now, when you, as you can tell, I have 8,000. Before I had 25,000, but I had to transfer them to Shiba coins because I can be buying these every month, and I'm fine with just adding to my position until I get my 25,000 back. Now let's go to the third one I would recommend for you guys if you're a beginner investor and you have $10 to invest. I said $10 to invest. I would recommend Shiba. You guys know I am a fan of Shiba. Right now it's a joke coin, it's a meme coin, but you just never know. That's why I was like, let me accumulate, and as we speak I have over 3 billion Shiba coins. And if you have $10 today, you can invest $10 into Shiba. It will give you about 7 million.
I got chills, then multiply.
So I would recommend Shiba coins. It's I'm sorry, and right now it's in the media. You know, Katie Wood knows about it. If you're in the investment world, you know Katie Wood. People worship Elon Musk, you know. So if you're one of those, you know, you've heard about Shiba. I invest based on my due diligence and something I believe in, not because of someone else. Okay, so yes, these are the 3 stocks or crypto I would recommend for anyone. Okay, and if you cannot do any of these and you know a way of getting Luffy Inu or Saitama, you can get those 2 because those are even less expensive right now. So those 2, you can also add that to the list. Those, I'll consider them bonus. I'm finding a way to find out how to get those. I've not found it out yet. So if anyone knows how to get into Luffy and Saitama, please let me know in the comments below. I want it to come on crypto.com so I can start investing in those cryptos also. So yes, this is my quick video to let you guys know the 3 stocks or crypto I would recommend for anyone who has $10 and they're ready or able to invest or interested in investments. These are the 3 stuffs. Okay, please go out there, enjoy yourselves. I hope this helps someone out there. And yes, if you want to invest, if you want to start investing, you can see descriptions in my link.
Y'all heard it, right?
And you're on your way. When I started with, was it $10 or $100? That's what I started with when I started investing. And today, you guys have been seeing my portfolio. I've become a investment junkie because I can see the potential, and I'm smart enough and educated enough as a college degree graduate to know strategy and stuff. Like, these stuffs work. You just have to be patient with them, okay? And just live your normal life, live your normal day while that is marinating and building up over there. Okay, so yeah, these are my crypto. Shiba is doing well today. It dropped a little bit, so I have to buy more. I already have my buying power waiting on the side, so I don't mind it. Okay, I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you guys soon in the next video. Please go out there and hustle, find a way to get out of the corporate America and the corporate plantation, because that's my goal. That's my goal for my siblings, that's my goal for my mom, that I want to be able to retire all of them. And I know that being a hairstylist today, that it cannot take me there. It will never take me there, especially looking like this. So
ooh wee, look what that money make a bitch do.
Honey, I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys. I love you all so much, and until next time, from Saturday and outside studios, bye guys. Yeah,
Baby, what you wanna do?
Period.
Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
This ain't no allegedly.
Load it up and do. Baby, what you wanna do? Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you never could.